In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho Bookings. We'll walk through how to create both interview bookings and regular appointments, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for. First, open your browser and go to Zoho Bookings. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see existing bookings and access different types of services. Take a second to familiarize yourself with this page, because you'll be coming back here often. If you want to set up an interview appointment, look for the section or tab labeled Interviews. Go ahead and click on Interviews. This area is specifically designed for interview type events, which is useful for hiring processes or any situation where you want to track interviews separately from general meetings. Once you're in the Interviews section, look for a button that says New Interview. Click on that. This will open a form or setup page where you can define the details of this interview type. Now, you'll be creating your new interview event. Here, Zoho Bookings may ask you to select what type of interview you're setting up. For example, it might distinguish between phone interviews, virtual interviews, or in-person sessions. Choose the option that best fits how you run your interviews. As you move through the fields, make sure the duration, time slots, and any required information for candidates are set the way you want. This will save you time later because candidates will book based on these rules. If instead you want to set up a regular appointment, not an interview, go back to the main dashboard if needed and look for the Appointments section. Click on Appointments. This section is where you manage general meetings, consultations, or any non-interview services. Inside the Appointments area, click on New Appointment. This will open a form where you can define one specific appointment booking. Here, you'll need to fill in the details. Enter the appointment title, select the date and time, and choose the staff member or host if that option is available. Make sure the client's information is accurate, including their name and contact details, so they receive confirmations and reminders correctly. Double check.